In this video, we're going to provide you with 7 tips to make the 203K loan process smooth. Also, you can read the full article on our website. 1. Choose the right lender. When choosing a lender for your 203K loan, make sure they have 203K loan experience and participate in this loan program. 2. Choose the right contractor. Some contractors will not take on 203K projects because they are time-consuming and require a lot of paperwork. 3. Allow enough time to close. 203K loans require at least 60 days to close. If the seller does not want to give at least 60 days, try to negotiate to get the needed time or consider looking for another property. Your contractor will need at least 60 days to do estimates and prepare the necessary paperwork. 4. Put a contingency in your contract. There is always the possibility that the property will not get approved for 203K loan. It is important that you put into your agreement of sale that the buyer can get out of the contract and get their deposit money back, if not get approved. 5. Do some repairs yourself. Incorporating all minor repairs into the 203K loan will raise the loan amount requested, so do some of the repairs yourself if you can, or put them off until a later time. 6. Negotiate the sale price. A 203K loan combines the home sale price and the cost of repairs into one loan. So, if you negotiate a lower sale price, you will have more equity, which means you will have more money to do repairs. 7. Be patient. Buying a home that needs repairs using a 203K loan can be a lengthy and somewhat stressful experience. By hiring an experienced 203K contractor, the process will flow smoothly. Matrix Company Solutions Corp. is a licensed contractor with 25 years of experience in the Philadelphia area and has completed many 203K projects. If you need more info, we are here to answer your questions and help you navigate through the 203K process. Call us today to get started.